Hello friends, I'm here today to teach you how to play a few games. One of the games that I'm going to teach you is the game called Spend a Dollar. To play Spend a Dollar, you will need one other person to play with and a recording sheet that looks like this for players 1 and players 2. Okay, so for Spend a Dollar, here's what you're going to do. You're going to put a dollar right here, and then you're going to roll the dice. When I rolled the dice, I got the number 6. Whatever you roll on the dice is what you have to take away in coins. I could have gone ahead and said, I'm going to take away 6 pennies, but the goal is I want to learn how can I take away the number that I rolled on the dice with the fewest amount of coins. By singing my song in my head, a penny is worth 1, a nickel is worth 5, a dime is worth 10, and a quarter 25. I knew that I wanted to use a nickel and a penny because a nickel is worth 5 cents and a penny is worth 1. Okay. So I'm taking this much away, but now in my recording sheet, here's what I need to do. I need to write, I started with $1. I rolled 6. Now I have, my equation is 100 or $1 minus 6 cents. Minus 6 cents. So $1 minus 6 cents. Okay, so what is $1 minus 6 cents? Ooh, that can be hard to figure out. If you don't know it on the top of your head, here's what you can do. Another game you're going to be playing this week is called Get to Zero. And you can use, I'll explain how to play Get to Zero in a minute, but you can use the Get to Zero chart. It's a 100s chart to help you if you need to. Here's what you would do. Remember what I've said about how $1 is the same as 100 cents? You would take this counter here and count back the cents that you're subtracting. So we started with $1 or 100 cents, and we're going to subtract 6 cents. So we're going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I have 94 left, but since we're talking about coins, I can't just write now I have 94 because I don't know 94 what? 94 elephants, 94 cups? No. I have 94, so no, I have no dollars. I have 94 cents. No dollars and 94 cents. Then, player 2 is going to do the same thing on their chart. Okay. Now for your next round, here's what you would do, is you would start again. Actually, keep these coins here. So that was round 1. You would start again with $1, but now you're going to roll your dice again. Okay, now you're going to have to subtract 6 cents. Ooh, that was the same way I did it, but it's going to be different. So you can always, with each round, you're always going to start with $1, and then you're going to subtract how much that you rolled with the dice. The game is over once all of the money down here, except for your dollars, when all of the money is gone. Okay? Whoever used the least amount of coins, has the least amount of coins in their takeaway box, is the winner. Now I'm going to teach you how to play Get to Zero. For Get to Zero, you will also need this game board and a partner. One partner is going to be your red counter and one partner is going to be your yellow counter. You're going to always begin at 100. So begin at 100 and then roll this dice. You got 5. You're going to count back or subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 95. After you rolled the 5, you would record this. I started with 0, I rolled 5. Then it's players 2's turn. They would put their counter on 100 to start and roll the dice. They got 15, so they're going to subtract or count back 15 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Then they would record this on their recording sheet. The next time, now it's your turn again. You're going to roll your dice, and you got 10. So now we're going to subtract or count back 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now I'm going to record that on my sheet. Turn 2. I started with 95. I rolled 10. The game is over once somebody reaches 1. The first person to reach the number 1 wins. You're going to play 2 rounds of this game with another person. All right, that's all I have for you for math today. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye-bye.